to give a very special thanks to Just Play for sending Disney Doorables Squish'alots to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector and toy enthusiast. Toya collects toys. It was meant to be. Today we are taking a look at Disney Doorables. I like to use them as dolls for dolls, but I also just collect them because I think they're adorable. This is Series 9, and I just recently found out that there are codes on the bottom of the box. Right here. Why didn't anybody tell me? I had feelings when I found out. Collectors in the Doorable community have been making lists of the codes and the figures they have found inside. And there are a lot. It's a lot to sort through. So this is A43 from Series 9. There could be 5, 6, or 7 figures inside. Looks like we got 5. With the first one being... Wait a minute. Apparently I can't count, because that's 7. Yeah! And here we have a bug. Sorry if you like A Bug's Life. But I am super happy this one has 7, because I feel like I get my money's worth, man. And this one is Mushu, rare. And here we have, feels like Mickey Mouse. Oh, no wait, Minnie Mouse 20s, common, and a double. Let's open another one. Kind of hoping to find the rest of Zootopia. And that's another bug. But this one's from Mulan, so there's no bug life slander here. 3 more to go. We have the collector's guide and... Ooh! Rare 22 from Soul. I've only found a few of them so far. And I like that movie, so I might want to keep an eye out for those. And here we have Pooh! It's Winnie the Pooh from Pooh's Huffalump movie. 2 more and this collection is complete. And our last one is... Don't be a double! Don't be a double! Yay! Dawn from Zootopia. Rare. Yeah! And thanks to all of you, my Luca collection is complete. And I've got to come up with new ways to display them because my little shelf is pretty full. But we'll worry about that later. Because I've got Disney Doorables Surprise Eggs with 6 exclusive pastel figures. Awesome! Probably should have opened this before Easter. But Doorables are all year round, so we're doing it. Aw, the bag is clear. And there's a sticker. Here's Minnie Mouse dressed in lavender and pink. Cute. So many variants. Let's open this one next. We don't have to worry about doubles. Ah, it's Angel. Love the pink. Up next is Sully in a light blue. And let's open our last purple one that has the cat from Alice in Wonderland. Just 2 to go. This surprise egg is a pastel Tiana as a frog. And our last one is Joy from Inside Out. So while the figures are doubles, they come in a pastel color. These were sent to us by Just Play, Disney Doorables Squish'alots. This is Series 1. Twist reveals Squishalots. How many figures inside? 4, 5, or 6? 50 to collect. Remove the outside layer. Oh, and there's a code on the bottom. This one is A24. I don't know if that's gonna mean anything. I'm just letting you know. And this says open me. So we're gonna open the little door. Then it says open. So let's open that. There's a little bag, so we can pull it out. And a collector's guide. The figures are separated by availability. So here we have common, rare, and ultra rare. Here's the figure. Let's see which one we have. It's orange? Ah, it's Cogsworth. He's common and squishy. Not me over here shaking just to squeeze this thing. This figure seems a little smaller than standard Doorables. However, to be sure, we really should just, open a few more. So we're twisting the top to get to the next door. And let's open it. Inside we have one. Oh, there's another one. Come on. Two. Oh, come on. There we go. There's the second one, or third one. And is that it? Do we have any more? Let's keep twisting. Oh yeah, there's another one. And we're just gonna go and take them all out at once. There we go. In this capsule, I have 4 total. And here we have... Oh, they kind of stick in there sometimes. Donald Duck. It's common Donald Duck. And this is the rare Stitch. He's kind of pearly. Our last figure for this capsule is Tiana. Wow, Doorables without the glittery eyes. And yes, there is definitely a size difference. So if you are using these as dolls for dolls, then the smaller size might work for you. The next one is a 22. Step 1, peel here. Step 2, open the door. Step 3, open the paper door to find our first Squishalot. Oh, cool, Mrs. Potts. Rare. Step 4, twist the lid. Open the next paper door to see how many we have in here. We have 2. And the first one is Ariel, common, and Stitch, common. These 2 do have the same pose, they're just painted differently. Keep twisting, and we have our last figure, who is Cogsworth, as in a double. These are surprise toys, so doubles are a thing. It looks like the containers are stackable, and there's a little peg inside that the Doorables Squish'alots can fit, so we can display them. Then just twist to see some of our other Doorable Squishalots. Yeah. Speaking of displays, let's get crafty and make a new one. I'm using foam board. I have some leftovers from a previous project. I cut a square. This is a little under 8 inches. I cut 3-inch rectangles to go around the sides. The larger square is going to be my back wall. So let's draw a little design. I'm gonna do an arch. I experimented with a few ideas. I think using a dotting tool might work. So I'm just kind of drawing or carving some rocks into the scene. Oops. I cut out the archway, cut a thin strip of foam board, and we're going to bend it and glue it to the back, then glue another piece of foam board behind it. Glue foam board onto the sides, glue more foam board to the top and bottom to make a little shadow box. And I tried to carve a little texture into the bottom as well. Then I paint the stones gray, then paint the rest. Dry brush on a little cream, a little brown, then lightly dry brush over the stones with a lighter color so we can see all that texture. To make a scene, we can leave it as is or glue more foam board around the edge to make a frame. To make a simple piece of art that can hang on the wall and be used to display our miniature figures. This is a scene loosely based on the movie Luca that we can use to photograph our Doorables. And it's a nice size, so there's a little bit of room to add on. We can add miniatures from the Dollar Tree, for a little detail, and maybe one day a tree. But most importantly, there's enough space for my Luca collection. Just think of all the little scenes we can build. I think we totally need an underwater scene. What do you think? Thank you for joining us while we added to our Doorables collection. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.